How can you multiply using an array? Think about this question during the lesson. There are 13 bobblehead dogs in each row of the carnival booth. There are 24 equal rows. How many dogs are there? What operation should you choose to solve this problem? You need to multiply to find 24 times 13. Why is it easier to multiply than count all of the dogs? It is easier to multiply because multiplying is faster than counting all of the dogs one at a time. Find 24 times 13. You can draw an array for 24 times 13. Separate each factor into tens and ones. Color each section a different color. Which color is used to show the product 20 times 10? Red shows the product 20 times 10. Purple shows the product 20 times 3. Which color is used to show the product 4 times 10? Blue shows the product 4 times 10. Which color is used to show the product 4 times 3? Green shows the product 4 times 3. Add the number of squares in each part of the array. Why do you add the number of squares in each part of the array rather than multiply to find the product? You add the number of squares in each part of the array because each is a part of the product. So adding the 4 parts gives the whole area. In the booth, there are 312 bobblehead dogs. Now you know how to find the product of an array using multiplication and addition.
Yes, dear students, now I'm going to explain you. There are 2 ways which I'm going to teach you how to multiply 2-digit numbers. Okay. Now one we just have seen through the video that is expansion theorem. I'm going to explain you a bit more in details, right? So over here we're going to have 24 to be multiplied with 13. Okay, so first of all we need to see we've got 2 numbers, 24 and 13, and ones in both the numbers we have. We need to separate the ones, like 4 in the first number and the 3rd on the second row. So these are the 2 ones we have. Okay, and what about the tens? So we have 2 tens to make it 24 and 1 tens to make it 13. Okay, now we need to do one thing. We are going to multiply 4 times 3 once, right? 4 times 3 is gonna give me 12. 4 3s are 12, and over here I'm going to multiply 2 tens with the 1 tens. Okay, so 20 times tens is gonna give me 200. So I'm just writing it a bit down because I need to place 2 numbers in between this space. So now I'm gonna multiply crosswise. I'm gonna explain you. 10 multiplied by 4 ones. So 10 multiplied by 4 ones is going to give me 40. And 2 tens, 20 times 3 is going to give me 60. Right? So just follow this procedure to reach the solution using the expansion theorem or expanding theorem. Okay, so it is going to give me, now I'm going to add these 4 numbers. 2, 6 plus 4 is going to be 10 plus 1, 11, 1, and 1 to be carried on top of 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. So in the video we have seen that it gave us 312. So that's how we are going to reach the solution of this question, and that is 24 times 13. Okay, now I'm going to explain you one more method with using and that method we're gonna solve this question, and that is another way. Okay, let me share it with you. So the number we have 24 times 13. In this method, we on the second row we have 13. Okay, so at one's place we have 3. So 3 we will multiply 3 with the number on the top, 24. So 1 by 1, 3 fours are 12. 2, 1 to be carried on top of 2. That is yes. So 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. Now I need to multiply 1 with the number on the top. So 1 is on the tens place. Okay. We know that in the second row, the number 1 we have at tens place. So because it is on the tens place, I'm gonna put 0 underneath the ones. Okay, 72. And underneath on the ones place, underneath 2 we are going to put 0, because we are going to multiply 1 with the rest of the numbers, 1 with the number on top of it. So 1 times 4 is going to give me 4, and 1 twos are 2. Okay, now I'm going to add these two numbers. So 2 plus 0 is going to give me 2, 7 plus 4 is going to give me 11, 1 and 1 to be carried on top of 2, 2 plus 1 is going to give me 3. So by using this method, again I was able to calculate 312. Okay, so let me give you a couple of more examples so that you could understand these two methods. Okay, expansion theorem as well as this one which I explained you. So let me just assume two different numbers. Okay, those could be like 53, wait, to be multiplied with let's say 16. Okay, so expansion theorem, I'm gonna follow the first to solve this question using expansion theorem. Okay, so I'm gonna take ones and tens. So we have 3, the number on the top row. We have the ones, number 3 at the ones position. We have 6 at ones place, and at tens place, from the number that is on the top row, we have 5 at tens and 1 at the number down below. Okay, so now we're going to multiply 3 with the 6 as ones. 3 6 are 18. Okay, we are going to write on top, and 5 tens multiplied by 1 tens. So 50 times 10 is going to give me 500. Now we're going to multiply it crosswise. So 5 tens times 6 ones. So 50 times 6 is going to give me 300. Okay, so one more. 10 times 3 is going to give me 30. I'm going to add and write the numbers on the side line. So 8 plus 0 is going to be 8. 1 plus 3 is going to be 4. And 5 plus 3 is 8. So 848 is going to be the answer, right? Now I will follow the second method. I will try to solve this question using the second. Okay. So now 6 ones is going to be multiplied with the number 53. 6 threes are 18, 1 by 1. 8, 1 to be carried. 6 fives are 30. 30 plus 1 is going to give me 31. So 1 is at tens place, so I'm going to put 0. So 1 threes are 3 and 1 fives are 5. 8 plus 0, I'm going to add these two numbers. 8 plus 0 is going to be 8. 3 plus 1, 4, and 5 plus 3 is going to give me 8. So 848. So both ways I reach the same number. Okay, so that's the solution. So that's how we're going to solve these questions using two methods, different methods: expansion theorem as well as this method, double digit multiplication. Okay, now I'm going to solve the third question. Let me take 95 multiplied by 17. Okay, so expansion theorem is going to be solved having ones and tens. Okay, first we have 5 for the number on top and 7 at one's place for the number at the second row, and we're gonna have 9 tens and 1 tens. We're gonna multiply simply 5 with 7, so 5 sevens are 35, and 9 tens multiplied by 1 tens is gonna give me 900. And now crosswise I'm going to multiply 10 with the 5 first, or maybe 90 with the 7 first, whatever whatever you follow is going to give you the same answer. 90 times 7 is going to give me 10, and 7 nines are 63. Okay, and 10 times 5 is going to give me 50. So I'm going to add these four numbers. 50 is going to give me 5. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 5 11, 1 to be carried, and 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 6 16. So 1615 is going to be the answer. Let me solve this question, the same question, the other way around. So first of all, I'm going to multiply 7 with the number on top. 7 1 by 1, 7 fives are 35. 5, 3 to be carried. 7 nines are 63 plus 3 66. Okay, so now this time I'm going to multiply 1, which is at tens place in the number 17. So I'm going to put 0 on the ones place. So 1 times 5 is going to give me 5. 1 nines are 9. I'm going to add these two numbers. 5 6 plus 5 11. 1 to be carried. 9 plus 1 10 plus 6 16. So 1615. So both ways I reach the same answer. Okay, so that's how we solved double digit multiplication questions. Hopefully this is a big help for you to understand the concept, and please like my video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any confusion, just write in the comment section. I will definitely respond to your queries. Thank you very much.